Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay, and today I'm going to show you how to use Tumblebooks. So Tumblebooks is a resource, free to you from the library, that has animated and narrated kids books and chapter books. It also has graphic novels and a few other things as well. So to access this resource, go to our website, www.kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Then we can go to the Kids tab. We'll scroll down. We'll go to Kids Digital Library. And there's Tumblebooks there. This is also an app that you can download for free from the App Store. You will need to enter in country, province, and your library card, but that is another way that you can access Tumblebooks. Now on this page, it typically would ask you for your library card to log in, but I've already done that step. So this is our home page here. So what you'll see is you can scroll down and you can browse through some of the suggested books based on themes that they have chosen. And there's also a few options along the top here. So you can see that you can search for storybooks, graphic novels, videos, things like that. There's also a little tab over here for puzzles and games. In the top right, you can change the language. So if you're looking to get some books in French or Spanish, that's an option for you. That could be helpful for homework as well. If you have a specific book that you already know you'd like to search for, we can use Tumble Search up here in the top right corner. There are a variety of different ways that you can search. For example, if your school uses Lexile or Accelerated Reader options for your child's reading level, you can search by that. I'm going to search by title. I'm going to search for a book called Red is Best. Okay, then I'm going to click Go. We'll give it a second to load here. So on the right-hand side here, you'll see book details such as the author, the word count, how long the book takes to go through. You can also add the book to your favorites or to a playlist for quick access, and those two options will show up along the top of your screen here. So there's favorites and playlists there. I'm going to play the video. Give it a second to load here. I can make it full screen and I can adjust the volume over here. And once I press this play button, the video will get started and I can enjoy listening to the book Red is Best. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and to find out what else the library offers, you can head to kawarthalakeslibrary.ca and you'll see what else is in our digital library. Thanks for listening.